All right, so guys, I got this from one of my buddies. This is the BR400, and when I got it, it wasn't working at all. Motor, it wasn't locked to anything, and so I went ahead and ordered a carburetor and a coil ignition, which is what you see right here, which is what the spark plug hooks up to, and then here's the the carburetor. And so, I was able to put those on, as you can see right there, brand new, and the spark plug coil pack right here for the spark plug. And then once I hooked everything up, the trigger the button wasn't working, so I had to go ahead and break it down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything back together, and then I'm going to crank it up, and we're going to see, what goes on from here. All right, so another thing, the what is it called? What line is it called? All right, so I had to get the throttle cable hooked up. It wasn't hooked up at first. As you can see, it's kind of right there. It's the throttle cable right there, and it runs all the way around here to there. All right, one of these cables was not hooked up. This one right here was not hooked up when I first took it off. I don't know if you can see that. That one right there. That was not hooked up, so I don't know if that's the kill switch cable. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for right now. All right, so you will need one of these right here. I forgot the exact which one. Here it goes right here. This is the T27 right here. T27. Put everything back on, and a regular Phillips head screwdriver or bit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this back on right here. All right, so we got one right here. It should be four, but this is older. It only came with two, so I'm gonna put these two screws in. All right, so we got that on. Now we're gonna put the all right, so we're gonna put the pull cord on back on. As you can see, it should be three screws, but like I said, this is an older model, older one that someone had, and it only have two of them. So we're gonna put those on. And that top one at the bottom. All right, put the cable on, spark plug cable. It look like we got everything back on. All right, now we're gonna go over here to the throttle cable. Hook everything back up. Let's see if it work out. All right, so here's everything open right here. Throttle cable right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back on. Has about 5 or 6 bolts or 5 or 6 screws. Real easy. Right here. All right, so all you do is just finish screwing those in, and that locks everything in. So I'm not going to show all of that. All right, so let's see if this thing gonna crank up and see what it's gonna do. Hopefully it cranks up. Man, this baby's strong right here. Blew the gas cap off. Wow. Let's crank it up one more time.